February 17 recap, and we're gonna go over. I only took one trade today on Marathon Oil. I told you guys I was watching it at the end of the day yesterday, into this morning's open, and I did watch it, but at the beginning I was watching this stock right here, AMPL. I found it on the top loss of the NASDAQ, and right when I turned my video on it, it started spiking from I drew my my lines as the high of the day. At the time it was down here, and it spiked all the way from 24 to 26, and that I'll play the video in a second where I said, look at that, how they trying to spike it up so so people can fall in the trap and buy this long so it can hit the scanners and go long, and then it flushed. And then right when I was saying that, I drew the line. I'm like, all right, I'm about to go short in this, and it started flushing at the open. And at the flush at the open, I lost the best entry for going long on MRO here, and it continued. It flushed from $26 all the way to $20, $6 drop. I was trying to get in it, but by the time I was trying to fumble through both stocks, it would be chasing it, and I didn't want to chase a stock like that because it can reverse and keep going higher. So one of my plans is not to get in stocks without a reason. My technicals, I had to follow them no matter how tempting it was. So man, Volunteer is falling now. So anyway, so I took a short on MRO. I took a short trade on MRO here at what time it was. It was 9:53, about 23 out minutes into the market. So 9:53. Let's go here. See, let me show you what I was talking about. So this is AMPL. Right when I said it, it started spiking. Look at that. See that? Watch.
Going into the open. Today's supposed to be a
You see that?
really nice day.
So it kept.
Let me go back this on you, huh? Look at this right here.
See? After this drop, and for
So
this
low,
to go this high, it's not gonna spike. It's just somebody spoofing this to get bulls. It's a bull trap right there. That's the real definition of bull trap, and that's exactly what it was. Because as it keeps spiking,
and you really needed to. Let's get some big levels here. We got one here. Sure.
and it never seen that level again. It just
Right
at the open.
It just tanked from $40.
At the open, it just tanked from there. So anyway, let's get in my trade. 9:46, 10 more minutes. So this is Emerald. This is when I got this. So I'm reading this for a short.
That's a double bottom.
And I'm looking at the double bottom. So that's if the double bottom breaks, I said I'm going short. If the double bottom takes, then if it breaks the high of that candle 34, then I'm gonna go long. So
Patience. Because we do have a triple bottom here at 11.
and
So
And I'm glad that I really, I followed my technicals, my stops, and everything, and I took this trade, and I took it at 24, and it immediately gave me what I wanted, and which is that's how I like to trade. So the ask immediately hit 24 and 20, and it flushed from here. So as I keep going down, I'm averaging out. Took some at VWAP. Took some more at my next level, which was, then I set my next level to 82. And what I do now, of course, this is hindsight trading. If we skip to after I'm completely out of the trade, I'm looking at my trade here. All these outs needs to be, I need to start adding to my trade. But I did say, let me pause it. I did say that I would start going lower share size, just because the past few days I went red on big sizes. So so I did say I was gonna decrease my share size, so which I did. But here, that needs to be an add instead of taking out. I need to average in. I think that's what I'm gonna practice more on now, is averaging in better, and to get really good. I mean, this trade here gave me everything I needed. It's like maybe a 3 lot sizes in, and then start averaging out, or I'm gonna start studying. I need to study more on getting a better averaging in size instead of all in and out. I still had 16 shares down here at 70. No, I still had 32 shares, which I put a buying order at 60. I was taking them out every 20 cents. Now I only had 16 shares. I held that 16 shares just because it came all the way down to 40s, and this is what I also didn't too proud of myself doing. Down here, I held that 20 cents all the way up to 70, and then when it came down to 40 down here, I watched this consolidation happen and then retook all the levels. This is where I should see this move, where I have to sell at 60. This is where I should have went long, because the stock went all the way back to it retested that same level at the opening, 21.42, and went all the way back up to 22.41. So that's like dollar moves right here, literally 141 to 22.41. So it's a dollar move. I could have, I need to take that, when I have to, because I got out here at my last, at my last out, I gave it all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars, and there's a double bottom, and then it starts backing up, and I got out here and I was done. I was like, you know what, be done for the day, and we're done. So for future reference, this is a trade I will be taking to maximize my profits. So I did 7 trade and 118. Not too big, but green. I'd rather take small green days than any kind of red days. So you guys be safe. I hope you had a really great trading day, and see you guys in the morning to do it one more time and for the week, and end it with a bang. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good evening. Be safe. Respect your trades. Respect your technicals. And Thank you guys so much for watching today. As always, make sure you trade at your own risk. Make sure that you are willing to lose what you trade. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much.